Using Mailchimp for membership sites can be a game changer for those looking to manage, grow, and engage their member base. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for more advanced ways to streamline your processes, Mailchimp offers everything you need to build a successful membership platform. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you how you can use Mailchimp for your membership site completely free, with some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. First off, the main reason Mailchimp is such a great choice for membership sites is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The drag and drop features let you easily create custom sign-up forms, automate emails, and send out newsletters. For membership sites, this is crucial because it allows you to keep your members informed without much manual work. Next thing, Mailchimp makes it super simple to segment your audience. With membership sites, your members will be at different stages in their journey. Some might be new signups, some may be loyal, and others could be inactive. Mailchimp segmentation tools allow you to categorize your members based on various factors. This helps you send personalized content to each group, increasing engagement and ensuring that you're delivering the right message at the right time. The third thing to mention is Mailchimp's automation capabilities. Setting up automated email workflows is crucial for membership sites, especially when it comes to welcoming new members or sending them relevant content over time. You can set up a welcome series for new signups or automate monthly billing reminders. This level of automation will save you tons of time while making sure your members get a seamless experience. Now, let's talk about integrating with other platforms. Mailchimp offers various integrations with popular tools like WordPress, Stripe, and Zapier. This means you can sync your membership site with your email lists and easily manage payments. Whether you're handling recurring subscriptions or one-time fees, you can automate all of that in Mailchimp, keeping everything organized and connected. The fifth thing you should know is how Mailchimp's reporting tools can help you track your membership site's performance. The platform gives you access to detailed analytics on open rates, click rates, and user engagement. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, improve your content, and ultimately increase retention. Lastly, let's talk about cost. Mailchimp offers a free plan that gives you access to all the basic features you need to start and run a membership site. But if you need more advanced features, like extra automation or higher tier integrations, there are affordable paid plans. And here's the best part. You can get started with the free plan, and we've arranged an exclusive extended free trial for you, so you can try all the premium features with no strings attached. Remember, Mailchimp is a powerful tool that simplifies managing a membership site. It lets you create customized forms, automate communications, segment your audience, and track performance, all in one place. You can use it for free, and with the exclusive offer we have for you in the description, you'll get access to extended trials and bonuses to help take your membership site to the next level. Be sure to check out the first link in the description for that extended free trial and get started with Mailchimp today.